If you want to try BoldDesk right now, you can activate a 15-day free trial in just a couple of minutes, and there's no credit card required. This is perfect if you're switching help desks and you want to quickly test BoldDesk so you can turn customer emails and web requests into trackable tickets without chaos. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to activate the trial. Start by heading to BoldDesk's pricing page. You can find the link from this video's description. Here, pick a plan that aligns with the number of agents you have. Don't overthink this part because you can upgrade or downgrade later. Now click Try for Free. On the sign-up screen, choose how you want to create your account. You can either enter your work email or use Google or Microsoft to go faster. Fill in the required details, then click Get Started. Now open your email inbox and look for the BoldDesk verification email. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once you've verified your email, you'll see a few quick onboarding questions, such as your industry and team size. Just select the closest options and continue. BoldDesk provisions your workspace automatically and drops you into the welcome screen. Here you'll see your support email address and quick start resources, and you're officially set. BoldDesk is now unlocked for 15 days, and you can upgrade or cancel anytime. To explore the customer-facing side, open the Customer Portal. To start working tickets, open the Agent Portal. This is where your team will view requests, reply, and track everything end-to-end, and where you can also try features like AI Copilot. And if you're switching from another help desk, BoldDesk can help with free onboarding and migration. Starting your free trial now? Check the Getting Started playlist next so you don't miss the key setup steps.